Alright, now we're going to go in track mode, and over here, we're going to race 2. I'd probably go race pro, but by myself. But again, it's just a little bit, just a teeny bit cautious. Alright, I'm recording our session. This is intermediate 2. So in intermediate 2, it's passing anywhere with it. Anywhere with it. Alright. Just go in there. Alright, it's going that's why I like to take somebody twice.
Yeah.
Because, like I said before, you know more what to expect.
Yeah.
Plus, you just drove the track.
Yeah. I saw the lines you were taking. It makes way more sense when we're going fast because you can just feel the momentum carrying that way.
Yep. And that's exactly what we want. As I told you and him, we want the car to take you to a place on the track. We don't drive to that place on the track. You want to go into the corner so fast that the momentum carries you right to the edge of the next straightaway.
Okay.
Too fast, it'll take you off.
Yeah.
Too slow, and you haven't optimized the speed around that corner.
Okay.
That make sense?
Yeah. So if you don't get taken away, you're not going fast as fast as you should be going.
Yes. Or could be going.
Yeah. And those laps were so cool.
So yeah, it makes more sense to you after you've had a fast session and driven it.
Yes. Yeah, it's so different. I feel like you're also like very skilled too, so it's like.
Yeah, I've been doing this a long time.
Yeah,
right?
that's what I'm saying. Like it would be completely different riding with someone else probably.
Oh, yes. Although I always tell you, a lot of instructors have the same, skill level or even more than what I do.
Yeah.
So I'm not going to pretend I'm the best that there is out there. But yeah, definitely if you're out there with somebody with left experience that are trying to either improve their skills or just kind of stay at their skill level. It's not nearly as smooth of a ride.
No.
But,
and you said time travel? Time
trial. Okay.
Time trial?
Yeah, we're going to talk about time trials.